Hello guys, thank you for joining me at Pip Valley. This is your host Roy Machingura. Welcome to your weekly pre-market analysis for the USD ZAR pair. So we're going to be looking at the weekly and the daily time frames. We have covered the monthly analysis on the video that appears on the link above. So if you want, you can go and check it out. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into our analysis. In this particular week, since the price is now at the support zone, I'm really expecting volatility to kick in. So I'm expecting a situation where you might see that the candlestick patterns will have larger wicks. So I'm expecting that the price, since there is this bearish momentum that's here, the price may push back like during the week and maybe just testing this as a resistance zone, and then maybe went on to close maybe within this resistance, within this support zone, forming a wick. And it might also, we might also experience like upward pressure, and then the candle also forms wicks to the upside and to the downside. So this is the situation that I'm expecting generally. And now getting into detail, since breaking this zone, we have seen that the price has made a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low. The first scenario that I'm expecting is where the price may continue with the bearish movement, maybe really touching this 13.56593. Okay. Another scenario that I'll be expecting is a scenario where the price is going to pull back since it is now in a lower low, and we'll be waiting for it to form either a higher high or a lower low, or to retest this trend line resistance zone. So this is the bullish scenario that we'll be expecting. And the bearish scenario is a situation where the trend is going to continue and get to 13.63622, formerly 13.56593 target. But generally, I'm expecting more volatility as we get closer, or as we are in this support zone. Yes, so these are the movements that I'm expecting in the coming week. Now we move on to the daily time frame. On the daily chart, we can notice that we have this general bearish trend, and also we had that breakout where the price broke from here, retested this resistance as a resistance zone, and also in the process also retesting it as a trend line resisted, of which it held, and then there was movement to the downside. And ever since this zone held as a resistance zone, we have seen the formation of lower lows and lower highs on this. So now we can notice that the price is now trading at very low prices whilst in the resistance zone. So this is, for me, this is a sign that like I can't continue to hold short positions, because one, I'm in a support area, and secondly, I'm also trading at very low prices. The price has not yet a pullback for some time now. So given that, what I'll be expecting in the coming week is a situation, firstly, where the price is going to pull back, and if it pulls back and closes below this previous high, forming a lower high, then I'll be holding short positions till the price reaches the the support zone, which is our target 13.56593. Then the other scenario is where the price might just continue movement to the downside without pulling back to reach our 13.56593 level. I'll also be expecting larger tails on the candles, because I'm expecting higher probability as we are now in the support zone. As you can notice, we're not expecting much from this because the price is now closer to the support zone. Usually, the way that I do things, I wouldn't touch it now. I wouldn't open another position, because the price is so volatile for me, and also because my trading pattern does not accommodate me to trade under such scenarios, because number one, the price is now too low to sell, and then number two, I can't trade against the trend. So on this pair, it's now, for me, it's now a wait and see scenario where I'll be just waiting maybe for a reversal or waiting for a breakout so that I can take advantage of a breakout if it happens. Thanks a lot for staying with me and for watching this. If you like the video, just please click the thumbs up and also share the video so that others can have access to the analysis. That leaves me to say, manage your risk well, grind the markets with grit. Roy Machingura out.